8 on your side is letting you know of huge changes to the way cough medicine is sold in stores. Starting January 1st, kids under the age of 18 will be banned from buying cough medicine in Florida. This is part of an effort to curb a dangerous drug threat. News Channel 8's John Rogers joins us now live from Sarasota to tell us more about this. John?
Hey there, Jen. It's kind of scary. Millions of teens across the country chug large quantities of cough syrup for a cheap, easy, quick high, but it can have deadly results.
The way to take care of a cough is with Robitussin.
For around 60 years, cough medicines have used a special ingredient to suppress those annoying coughs. It's called dextromethorphan, or DXM. In small doses, it can soothe those pesky cold symptoms. But pharmacist Vincent Nguyen says some take advantage of it.
It can be harmful in large quantities.
Millions of teens and young adults abuse cough medicine. They chug large amounts of it, snort it, or inject it to get a quick high. And Florida lawmakers want to stop it. Starting January 1st, a new law takes effect banning people under the age of 18 from buying cough syrup. Pharmacies and stores will be required to check ID, and violators could face fines.
That's a great idea, honestly.
Lucas Genser knows of other teens who've abused cough syrup. He doesn't understand why people do this.
It's like a really bad idea to get high off of like cough syrup or any type of drug, pretty much. And like you should just spend your time playing sports or doing something active instead of spending your time getting high all day.
And it has dangerous consequences. Experts say DXM abuse can lead to side effects like liver damage, heart attacks, or death. Florida joins at least 11 other states who have similar bans.
I think it has its pros and cons.
Nguyen admits this new law can be an inconvenience for young people who genuinely need the medicine.
But at the same time, it will also help quench those cases of abuse and I believe make the community a little bit safer.
All right, guys, so there's some warning signs to look out for to see if your teen is possibly abusing the cough syrup. One of the obvious is, of course, look for any empty bottles or missing bottles from around the house. Also, if you spot your teen having a change in mood, a lack of appetite, a change in appearance, being irritable, not being very social with family or friends, these could be warning signs that your kid could be abusing cough syrup. So it's important to talk to them about the dangers of this. Back to you guys.
John Rogers, live for us in Sarasota tonight. Thank you.